Hey guys, welcome back to yet another informative and fun video on weight loss, and this is the Holistic Collective. It is our constant effort at this channel to bring you correct information and tips on wellness related topics. So do subscribe to our channel and make sure you never miss out on the good stuff, and please do check out our affiliate products in the description below. In today's video, we will be addressing a topic which perhaps is the most talked about issue in the world and could also be something which most of you may be struggling with. But hey, do not worry, we got you. There are several methods, plans, foods and ingredients which help you through your weight loss journey. One such very interesting ingredient which can be included in your weight loss plan are green coffee beans. Yes, you heard it right. Not brown, but green coffee beans. Now you must be thinking that coffee beans as we know it have always been brown. So how can coffee beans be green then, right? Let us answer that for you. So green coffee beans are nothing but raw coffee beans. The coffee beans turn brown after they are roasted. These tiny aromatic bean-like things are actually seeds which are found inside a cherry-like fruit of the coffee plant. Talking about green coffee beans and their connection to weight loss. If you pick a packet of these beans, mostly the packaging mentions data related to weight loss. So let's find out how much of a fact that is. In this video, not only will we find out about the benefits of green coffee beans, but we will also learn about the correct method to use it. We need to remember that just because an ingredient is known to aid weight loss, that doesn't mean it can be consumed in any quantity that you fancy, and it also doesn't mean that anyone and everyone can consume it. There always is a correct way, and today we will find out what that is. So firstly, the reason why green coffee beans are known to help with weight loss is because of the content called chlorogenic acid in them. This is a plant compound which has some effect on controlling glucose absorption. Chlorogenic acid is a powerful antioxidant. It is known to reduce the risk of diseases such as diabetes and cancer. It can also stimulate weight loss, reduce blood pressure, and improve mood. Regular roasted coffee beans lose a fair amount of this acid in the roasting process. Brown coffee beans are roasted at a temperature of almost 250 degrees, and the roasting process changes the color, aroma, and the nutritional value of the coffee bean. Green coffee beans do not go through any such process, which is why they retain their nutritional value, making them a favorite in weight loss management. There are two types of coffee. One is known as Arabica and the other is Robusta. Arabica is the more preferred choice and known to be the better of the two because it has a smoother, sweeter taste with flavor notes of chocolate and sugar. They also have hints of fruits or berries, while Robusta has a stronger, harsher and more bitter taste with grainy or rubbery overtones. While buying green coffee beans, you must try and buy organic products as far as possible because the green coffee beans are not roasted, and if they have any pesticides which may have been sprayed on the plant, then those can be toxic and harmful for you. So, it is best to consume the organic kinds which do not have any harmful chemicals in them. When you purchase green coffee beans, try to check for an organic stamp on the packaging and authenticity of what certifications may be mentioned. Green coffee beans also need to be stored in an airtight container and try to keep it away from sunlight. And yes, avoid having coffee after sunset because the caffeine may interfere with your sleep, unless of course you are nocturnal like me and want to stay awake at night. So as we mentioned earlier, there is a correct way to go about your weight loss journey, and for that we recommend you do not consume caffeine products immediately after your meals. The logic behind this is that caffeine interferes with the absorption of minerals and vitamins if taken right after you've eaten, and in some cases it could also lead to iron deficiency. Also avoid taking it early in the morning on an empty stomach. So what is the best time to have green coffee? Well, the best time recommended by most dietitians and nutritionists is in between meals. Try to preferably have it after your breakfast and before lunch, meaning keep at least 1 hour's gap after your meal before you have that cup of green bean coffee. And because we have your best interest in mind, we would like to stress on the bit of not consuming it empty stomach or immediately after a meal. And now for all you fitness enthusiasts out there, you can have this around your workout time, maybe half an hour before your workout. You can have a nice hot cup of green bean coffee and feel refreshed and energized to go kill it in the gym. It's not us who says this, but research also says that green coffee helps mobilizing the fat stored in your liver and helps that fat surface to the bloodstream. So when you exercise, it helps in fat burn. While we do recommend consuming green coffee beans to help weight loss, we do not claim that only by doing this you will lose weight. Remember, there is no shortcut to weight loss. You have to eat right through the day, you have to work out, and there is no escaping from hard work. We would like to keep reminding you, along with all this, you must stay happy and stress-free and remember to get enough sleep. Well, we are telling you about consuming coffee, but we are also telling you to have it in moderation and in the right way. When you start your green coffee bean intake, remember to consume only 200 to 400 milligrams of it and not more. Another important thing you need to do is drink plenty of water. Always stay hydrated when you consume green coffee. The reason being, the caffeine and chlorogenic acid content in it can lead to dehydration. Water will also help you in general with your weight loss, and of course, there is green coffee to the rescue. Now let us tell you about how green coffee beans exactly help you in your weight loss. Trust me, you're gonna love what you hear next. So let's begin. Green coffee beans help you by speeding up your metabolism because they are loaded with antioxidants. Next up, it prevents the absorption of fat from your body. It suppresses your appetite, making you want to eat less. It increases your immunity. It betters your blood circulation. It helps in detoxifying your liver. It lowers bad cholesterol. It helps in improving your focus. It reduces glucose levels, which help those who suffer from type 2 diabetes. Oh my gosh, the benefits of green coffee seem unending. No wonder this has gained so much popularity in the world. But hey, where there is so much good, there can also be a teeny-weeny amount of some bad, right? What we mean to say is, there are also some known side effects of green coffee beans. For example, for some people, it may cause heartburn, bloating, or acidity. In some cases, it may also lead to mild nausea. For people who are under medication for heart problems, diabetes, or any blood thinning medicines, etc., we suggest you consult your doctor before you start taking green coffee beans. Another important thing you need to remember that this isn't recommended for kids and teenagers or mothers who are breastfeeding and even pregnant women for that matter. Now that you are aware of the pros and cons of consuming green coffee beans, we hope you make the right and healthy choices when it comes to your weight loss management and overall lifestyle.